how to play Steam games on Meta Quest 3. In this video, I'll provide you a demonstration. I'm going to provide you the easiest method for you to be able to play Steam games while using the gadget of your Meta Quest 3. This is very, very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do before connecting your Meta Quest 3 into your laptop or onto your PC, you're just going to make sure that you have downloaded SteamVR from Steam Client. Access your Steam and make sure that you're logged in, and then use the box right here that says search for store and type in VR. Now you're gonna be getting a lot of options here, but what you wanna have to choose on is the free one, which is gonna be Steam VR right here. Click that. Now make sure that you fully downloaded this so that you can run any types of Steam games using your MetaQuest 3 VR. Once you fully downloaded this onto your Steam client, plug in your Steam VR onto your laptop or PC. Now take note that you have to keep the cable plugged in into your laptop or PC while playing the game. And that's basically it. That's how you play Steam games on MetaQuest 3.